मित्रों, सादर जय जिनेंद्र। मैं रोहित सज्जन अपने YouTube चैनल तीर्थंकर वर्धमान ज्ञान सागर पे आप लोगों का स्वागत करता हूँ। हमारे YouTube चैनल पे ऐसे ही वीडियो आती जा रही है। बेल आइकन को प्लीज़ प्रेस करें, हमारे चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक कमेंट और शेयर भी करें। पिछली वीडियो में हमने आपको भगवान विष्णु के 100 नाम बताए थे। आज उसी कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए 101 नाम से शुरू कर रहे हैं 200 तक।
एक 101 वृषा कपि, he who lifts the world to dharma, अम्यात्मा, he who manifests in the infinite varieties। 103 सर्वयोगी विनिसतु, he who is free from all attachments। 104 वसु, the support of all elements। 105 वसुमना, he whose mind is supremely pure। सत्य, the truth। 107 समात्मा, he who in the same in all। 108 सम्मति, he who has been accepted by authorities। 109 सम, equal। 110 अमोघ, ever useful। 101 पुंडरीक्षक, he who dwells in the heart। 112 वृषकर्मा, he whose every act is righteous। 114 रुद्र, he who makes all people weep। 115 बहुशिरा, he who rules all over the worlds। 117 विश्वयोनि, the womb of the universe। 118 शुचि श्रवा, he who has beautiful sacred names। 119 अमृता, immortal। 120 श्वात तस्तानु, permanent and immovable। 121 वरारोह, the most glorious destination। 122 महातपा, he of great tapas। 123 वर, all pervading। 124 सर्व विद्वानु, all knowing and effulgent। 125 विश्व कसेन, he against whom no army can stand। 126 जनार्दन, he who gives joy to good people। 127 वेदा, he who is the Vedas। 128 वेद, the know of the Vedas। 129 अव्यय, without imperfection। 130 वेदराव, he who contemplates upon the Vedas। 131 वेदविद, he who contemplates upon the Vedas। 132 कवि, the seer। 133 लोकाध्यक्ष, he who presides all over lokas। 134 सुराध्यक्ष, he who presides all over devas। 135 धर्माक्ष, he who presides over dharma। 136 कृताकृत, all that is created and non-created। 137 चतुरात्मा, the fourfold self। 138 चतुर्व्रेह, वासुदेव संकर्षण एक्सेट्रा। 139 चतुर्दृष्ट, he who has 4 chains। नरसिम्हा। 140 चतुर्भुज, 4-handed। 141 ब्रजविष्णु, सेल्फ एफ्लुगेंट कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस। 142 भोजन, he who is the sense object। 143 भोक्ता, the enjoyer। 144 सहिष्णु, he who can suffer patiently। 145 जगदादि, born at the beginning of the world। 146 अनग, सेंसेसलेस। 147 विजय, विक्टोरियस। 148 जेता, एवर सक्सेसफुल। 149 Vishoni. He who incarnates because of the world 150. 150 पूर्ण वसु. He who lives repeatedly in different bodies. 151 उपेंद्र. The younger brother of Indra. 152 वामन. He with a dwarf body. 153 प्रांशु. He with a huge body. 154 अमोघ. He whose acts are for a. 155 सूची. He who is the spotlessly clean. 156 उर्जित. He who has infinite vitality. 157 अतिनेन्द्र. He who surpasses Indra. 158 संग्रह. He who creates the world from himself. 160 धृतात्मा. Established in himself. 161 नियम. The appointing authority. 162 यम. The administrator. 163 वेदा. That which is to be known. 164 वेद्य. The supreme doctor. 165 सदा योगी. Always in yoga. 167 विरह. He who destroys the mighty heroes. 167 माधव. The lord of all knowledge. 168 मधु. Sweet. 169 अतिनेन्द्रिय. Beyond the sense organs. 170 महामाया. The supreme master of the Maya. 171 मोहत्सा. The great atheist. 172 महाबल. He who has supreme strength. 176 महाबुद्धि. He who has supreme intelligence. 174 महावीर्य. The supreme essence. 175 महाशक्ति. All powerful. 176 महाद्वितीय. He whose from his indescribable. 178 श्रीमान. He who is always courted by glories. 179 अमृतमा. He whose essence immeasurable. 180 महादृष्ट. He who supports the great mountain. 181 महेश्वास. He who wills Shranga. 182 महीभर्ता. The husband of Mother Earth. 183 Srinivas. The permanent abode of Shri. 184 Sataganti. The goal for all virtuous people. 185 Aniruddh. He who cannot be obstructed. 186 Suranand. He who gives out of happiness. 187 Govind. The protector of the cows. 188 Govindapati. The lord of all men of wisdom. 189 Marichi. Effulgence. 190 Daman. He who controls Rakshas. 191 Hans the swan. 192 Supern. Beautiful winged. Two birds analogy. 193 Bhuja Gautam. The serpent Ananta. 194 Hiranyanaभ. He who has a golden navel. 195 Sutpa. He who has glorious tapas. 196 Padmanabh. He whose navel is like a lotus. 197 Prajapati. He from whom all creatures emerge. 198 Amritya. He who knows no death. 199 Savriddhi. The seer of everything. 20th 200 Singh. He who destroys.